The United States is leading the charge into the era of sixth-generation fighter jets with its ambitious Next-Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD program. Unlike previous fighters, NGAD isn't just a single aircraft, it's a family of systems designed to secure air superiority for decades to come. At its core is a manned stealth fighter, expected to surpass the F-22 and F-35 with revolutionary advancements in stealth, speed, and sensor fusion. But NGAD's real leap is its integration with uncrewed drone wingmen, called collaborative combat aircraft, which will fly alongside the main jet to extend its sensors, carry weapons, and even protect it from threats. Artificial intelligence, advanced data sharing, and adaptive electronic warfare are central to the NGAD concept, making it far more than just a faster or stealthier plane. The program aims to outpace global rivals, including China and Russia, with the first operational jets targeted for the 2030s. NGAD represents the U.S. Air Force's vision for future air combat, a networked, flexible, and lethal system designed for the complex battlespace of tomorrow.